ready for Thomas's most jaw-dropping adventure yet. It's Thomas and Friends Shipwreck Rails. When Thomas finds a lost shipwreck, he climbs higher than he's ever climbed before, and even swings over suspended rails. Plus plunges into a spiraling 360 spin. And he's got the treasure. Connect Shipwreck Rails with other sets to expand your Trackmaster world. Thomas and Friends Shipwreck Rails with everything to assembly required, batteries not included. Welcome to the world of Nintendo from Jackson Pacific. You play the game. Now be the characters racing Mario Kart 8 Anti-Gravity Racer, Kart Racer, and Wheels Up Anti-Gravity Racer. Woohoo! Let's go! With all the Nintendo figures, you can collect them all. Mario Kart RC, other Nintendo figures from server. Not included.
Sakari, can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Mwah, yay. Kisses, one more. Give me a kiss.